We're exploring some of the most massive and mind-blowing stars in our galaxy. These are the true giants of our universe, stars so large that it's almost impossible to comprehend their size. From familiar names to hidden giants, here's our list of the top 10 largest stars known in our galactic neighborhood. Let's dive right in. Starting our list is NML Cygni, located about 5,300 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus, the Swan. This red hypergiant is a true standout, known for its enormous size and luminosity. Imagine our Sun, a giant ball of burning plasma that could fit over 1 million Earths inside. Now, picture a star so large that it would take our Sun over 1,650 times to fill its volume. If you were to replace our Sun with NML Cygni, its outer layers would extend beyond the orbit of Neptune, engulfing all the inner planets, including Earth. NML Cygni is also incredibly bright, classified as a luminous blue variable, undergoing dramatic changes in brightness. These changes are caused by the star's own instability, as it struggles to maintain equilibrium against its own immense gravity. Next up, we're sticking around the Cygnus constellation to visit KY Cygni. This red supergiant stretches approximately 1,420 times the radius of our Sun. Located around 5,000 light-years away, KY Cygni is one of the true behemoths of the galaxy. If you were to place KY Cygni at the center of our solar system, it would engulf Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and even the asteroid belt, reaching almost to Jupiter. KY Cygni isn't just about size. It's also incredibly luminous, shining with the brilliance of hundreds of thousands of suns. This incredible luminosity is a testament to the immense energy being generated in KY Cygni's core. At number 8, we have VX Sagittarii, a red supergiant located in the Sagittarius constellation. This star measures about 1,350 times the radius of the Sun and is situated around 5,100 light-years from Earth. If you were to replace our Sun with the VX Sagittarii, it would stretch out beyond the orbit of Mars, engulfing everything in its path. VX Sagittarii is also classified as a pulsating variable star, meaning its brightness fluctuates over time. These pulsations are caused by the expansion and contraction of the star's outer layers, a bit like the beating of a giant celestial heart. By analyzing the patterns of these pulsations, we can learn about the processes happening deep within the star's core. Coming in at number 7 is Mu Cephei, also known as the Garnet Star because of its deep red color. Located in the Cepheus constellation, this red supergiant has a radius about 1,500 times that of the Sun and lies approximately 2,000 to 3,000 light-years away. Mu Cephei is a true giant of a star, even among the supergiants. Its diameter is so large that if you were to place it at the center of our solar system, it would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. This star shines with the light of over 38,000 suns, making it one of the most luminous red supergiants in the Milky Way galaxy. This incredible luminosity is due to the star's enormous size and the fact that it's nearing the end of its life. Number 6 on our list is Antares A, a well-known red supergiant located in the constellation Scorpius. Antares A has a radius of about 1,200 times that of the Sun and is roughly 550 light-years from Earth. If you were to replace our Sun with Antares A, it would stretch out beyond the orbit of Mars, swallowing up Mercury, Venus, Earth, and even the red planet itself. Antares A isn't just a solitary giant. It's part of a binary star system, locked in a gravitational dance with a smaller, hotter companion star called Antares B. By studying the interactions between these two stars, we can learn more about the lives and deaths of massive stars and the dynamics of binary star systems. At number 5, we have Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in the Orion constellation. This star has become somewhat of a celebrity due to its distinct orange-red glow and recent dimming events that captured global attention. Betelgeuse is about 1,400 times the radius of the Sun and is located roughly 642.5 light-years away. Betelgeuse is a star on the brink of a cataclysmic transformation, a star living out its final days in a blaze of glory. When Betelgeuse does finally go supernova, it will be a spectacular sight, visible even in broad daylight. This supernova will be a once-in-a-lifetime event, a chance to witness the death throes of a star and the birth of something new. Next is RW Cephei, a yellow hypergiant located in the Cepheus constellation. With a radius about 1,535 times that of the Sun, this star is around 11,500 light-years away. RW Cephei's unique color and massive size make it one of the rarest types of stars in the galaxy. Yellow hypergiants like RW Cephei are rare and fascinating, offering a different look at how stars grow and evolve. RW Cephei is a true stellar heavyweight, a star that pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible in the universe. One of the most intriguing things about RW Cephei is its variability. By observing these changes, astronomers can learn more about the internal structure and dynamics of hypergiant stars. Coming in at number 3 is WOH G64, a red supergiant located in the Large Magellanic Cloud, a satellite galaxy of the Milky Way. This star is approximately 1,540 times the radius of the Sun and about 163,000 light-years away. Imagine a star so large that if it were placed at the center of our solar system, its outer layers would extend beyond the orbit of Saturn. WOH G64 is also surrounded by a thick torus of gas and dust, making it a challenge to observe. Despite these challenges, astronomers have been able to piece together a remarkable amount of information about WOH G64. They've determined its size, temperature, luminosity, and even its chemical composition. At number 2 is VY Canis Majoris, a massive red hypergiant located in the constellation Canis Major. With a radius roughly 1,500 times that of the Sun, this star is about 3,900 light-years from Earth. For years, VY Canis Majoris was considered the largest star in the galaxy. Imagine a star so large that it would take a beam of light, traveling at 186,000 miles per second, over 6 hours, to travel from one side to the other. VY Canis Majoris is also a star in turmoil, losing mass at an astonishing rate, shedding its outer layers into space in the form of a vast expanding nebula. This mass loss is a sign that VY Canis Majoris is nearing the end of its life. Soon, it will exhaust the fuel in its core and collapse under its own gravity, triggering a supernova explosion. And finally, at number 1, we have the undisputed giant, UY Scuti, located in the Scutum constellation. UY Scuti is a red supergiant or hypergiant with an estimated radius of around 1,700 times that of the Sun. It's roughly 9,500 light-years away from Earth. UY Scuti is so large that if you were to place it at the center of our solar system, its outer layers would extend beyond the orbit of Saturn. UY Scuti is constantly pulsating, its size fluctuating as it struggles to maintain equilibrium against its own immense gravity. These pulsations, along with the star's incredible luminosity and mass loss, are a testament to the incredible forces at work within these stellar giants. And that's our list of the 10 largest stars in the galaxy. From supergiants to hypergiants, these stars give us a glimpse into the vastness of the universe and the incredible variety in stellar evolution. We've journeyed across thousands of light-years, exploring stars so massive they make our Sun look like a tiny speck of dust. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on which star you found most fascinating. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more space discoveries.